Hey guys, so today it is Wednesday, June 30th, 2021, and because we are having a heat wave this week, and it's like, no way am I, bothered to cook, and so it's like, it popped up in my head about this restaurant, this Nick's restaurant. It is a local steak and pizza restaurant. And I remember that me and my ex, we went to it before, and I did a video on it, and it's like almost 10 years ago that we went to that. And so it's like I have never been back since, and so you guys can look up the video for that. And so it is my first time to order pizza from them, so the unboxing, I will be as surprised as you guys will be. So let's open up the box. Boom, it's actually pretty nice. So what I did was, on their menu was all the fancy schmancy pizzas, and none of it had my Hawaiian pizza. So I did a build your own pizza that I chose ham and pineapple. So I made my own Hawaiian pizza. So there we go, you guys. It looks pretty good. Not greasy at all, really, hey? Yeah. Alright, you guys. So we're gonna start off with 3 slices first, and I'm gonna see how well I eat, because like this hot weather, it's like sometimes affects my eating. And so yeah, so today we are like a 34, 35 degrees today. The close-up of this pizza. Like, I don't know if you remember last year, I ordered pizza from a few different local places, and some of those pizzas can be very horrifying, if you guys remember. But this one seems to be normal. Like some of those places, they layer on the cheese so much, it just like makes the pizza taste very fake, if you know what I mean. In the world of pizza, like if I am in the mood for pizza, I usually stick to Hawaiian pizza. I know there's some people out there that doesn't like to have pineapple on their pizza, but I like it, so it's whatever I like. So finally, for over a year, I can finally say this. We are opening up in July. From this pandemic stuff, the things are opening again. Well, I don't understand it. It's like some restaurants are open already. Like on Sunday, this last Sunday, we went out to Chinatown, and my family went out for dim sum. That was very nice treat. It's like haven't had a dine-in table serviced fresh dim sum for a long time. The dim sum is one of those foods, it's the best when it's fresh. Having some normal water. I am so mad at myself. I bought some of the bubbly sparkling water. I ran out yesterday in the fridge and it's like, I forgot to put more in the fridge. And so apparently it is the pineapple flavor, and apparently on the box it says it's new. And then I shared it with my college class, and I'm like, oh, I love this water, this pineapple water. And somebody else told me the peach flavor. They have a new peach flavor as well that came out the same time. I don't know, to me, pineapple and water sounds okay. It sounds refreshing because pineapple is traditionally, it is a refreshing fruit. So pineapple and water sounds normal. And like people mix the infusion water with the pineapple and stuff, right? But to me, peach and water sounds weird because when I think about peach, I think of yogurt, like peach yogurt. So to me, that sounded kind of messed up. The crust is okay. But apparently they won some pizza they won some pizza competitions before. The tomato sauce is normal. It's like nothing nasty or anything crazy about it. Like, some places they make their pizza so tomatoey, like very strong tomato flavor. So the restaurant actually has an online ordering system now, so that's how I did it. So I did not order this from Skip the Dishes, and the restaurant manages their own orders. Like, I think these days, like the pandemic, it's like it makes the food delivery more acceptable behavior, I guess. Because I think before the food delivery, like you were seen as being lazy if you use the food delivery. Well, I really do appreciate this service because it saves me a transit trip, so I do not need to take the train myself to go get it. Like, but the only thing though is like about going to restaurants and stuff, like I do miss going to restaurants because like if I go there as a single diner, like I like to go people watching, and it's like the see if their service is actually good or not. Yeah, sometimes when you go to the restaurant for service, like sometimes it just makes you so angry, like the attitude of the restaurant or whatever. Like, sometimes they say it's like some days it's just better to stay home. Like, you are paying the money to enjoy yourself, to get treated good and have a good time at a restaurant. Like, you don't want to be angry over it. When you get lousy service. Alright, so I think I'm done here. It's getting really hot and I'm gonna go back on the couch and be a couch potato for the rest of the day. So yeah, the pizza was okay. It's normal, it's edible, and it's nothing too crazy or crazy good or crazy bad about it. It's normal. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel, and I will see you on the next one.